dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family and his words.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos, what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in this video I want to talk to the young man, and the topic is, can I succeed? There are 4 areas. One is ability, purpose, structure, and promote the accomplishment. Ability. Everyone is born with the ability to provide this world with something only they can create. The only thing that's needed is the drive, the desire, and put in the work to accomplish the goal. No one else can give you the heartfelt enthusiasm to achieve that goal or your goal. It's an individualized aspect of everyone having an internal dream to pursue. Purpose. Each person must look within to find what truly is their passionate goal to create or accomplish. Producing or creating something that you love and that the economic society would buy is valuable. The ability to become a success in life is within us all. Educate yourself on the purpose that you want to create and bring to society. It's your responsibility to get educated. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Structure. Every major company has a forecast of what they want to accomplish in the future. The design is measured in milestones that need to be achieved. The milestones are planned out by reaching a certain level in a number of years, like 5 years, 10 years, and so on, to evaluate the performance. Everyone should use milestones to measure where in their own life pursuit of purpose they have landed. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. I'm the author of the book, Molding a Man. I'm interrupting this video to bring you some updated information. I'm proud of the book and what it has to say. So I'm going to be talking to some incredible people. They're educators, professionals, and parents who will bring a unique perspective on each topic within the book. So you won't want to miss these upcoming videos. But in order to bring you that content, so tell a friend who's a parent that'll benefit from this invaluable information. Now back to the video. Promote the completion. People often don't realize that when you accomplish anything, it should be noted. Even if celebrating it by yourself, it must be recorded in time. There are a lot of skills that we learn in life, but give in to the notion that it's a small thing. So we never develop the attitude that we can accomplish anything. All anyone needs to do is put in the time and effort to accomplish whatever they want. So put in that time. Know you can succeed. It's up to you. That's the end of this one, guys. So if you like the video, like the information, go ahead on and comment down below. Like the video, subscribe. And as always, peace and blessings. See you on the next one. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
But they bout to hear. Everybody knows what this sound is. Everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.